Hello friends, another favorite, Mama Buy Me a China Doll. Sing along. One day a peddler came to town, and little Liza Lou saw that in the back of his wagon he had a little China doll. Well, Liza Lou, she just had to have that China doll, so she ran all the way home to tell her mama all about it. She sang, Mama buy me a China doll, Mama buy me a China doll, Mama buy me a China doll, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, where would you get the money from? We could sell Daddy's feather bed, sell Daddy's feather bed, sell Daddy's feather bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, but where would your daddy sleep? He could sleep in the horsey's bed, sleep in the horsey's bed, sleep in the horsey's bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, you'd sell Daddy's feather bed and have Daddy sleep in the horsey's bed. Well, then where would the horsey sleep? He could sleep in sister's bed, sleep in sister's bed, sleep in sister's bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, well then where on earth would sister sleep? She could sleep in the baby's bed, sleep in the baby's bed, sleep in the baby's bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, you'd have Daddy sleep in the horsey's bed, and the horsey sleep in sister's bed, and sister sleep in the baby bed. Where would the baby sleep? She could sleep in the kitten's bed, sleep in the kitten's bed, sleep in the kitten's bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, then where would the kitten sleep? They could sleep in the chicken coop, sleep in the chicken coop, sleep in the chicken coop, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, you'd have the daddy sleep in the horsey's bed, and horsey sleep in sister's bed, sister sleep in the baby's bed, baby sleep in the kitten's bed, kitten sleep in the chicken coop. Where on earth would the chickens roost? They could roost on Grandma's rocking chair, roost on Grandma's rocking chair, roost on Grandma's rocking chair, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, then where would Grandma sit? She could sit in the piggy's pen, sit in the piggy's pen, sit in the piggy's pen, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, you'd have Daddy sleep in the horsey's bed, the horsey sleep in sister's bed, sister sleep in the baby's bed, baby sleep in the kitten's bed, kitten sleep in the chicken coop, the chickens roost on Grandma's rocking chair, Grandma sleep in the piggy's pen. Where would the piggies go? They could sleep in my own bed, sleep in my own bed, sleep in my own bed, do, Mommy, do. Oh, Liza Lou, then where would you sleep? I could sleep on Mama's lap, sleep on Mama's lap, sleep on Mama's lap, do, Mommy, do. And that is just what she did. See you next time.